This is practicing physician and inventor, Dr. Glenn Dow. This little piece in here is his heart pump mechanism, which could very easily be placed inside the body. The rest of it is a body emulator, because practicing on people is not that practical.
This is a pulsatile heart pump versus axial flow units. This pulse unit right here is mainly a body emulator. The valves here you can change, simulating varying physiologic conditions, and then we'll see how the pump can react to that, very much like the heart does. I'm just going to turn it on here and let it run just a little bit, and you can see kind of how it gives us a pulse action. I'm going to change these parameters here a little bit with the pressures.
You can see the pusher plate react to various physiological conditions through the access hole in the side of the pump.
And you watch that action there. I'm going to speed it up just a little bit. It'll come right on back, and the stroke will increase. There, we're back to almost a full stroke now. We're within the range of the left ventricular musculature right now as far as contractile forces, so I don't think there's going to be any problem in getting real close to duplicating the forces of the heart here. I've got most of these screws out so we can disassemble it very readily. Let me take an Allen wrench and I'll pull these two out, and then we'll be into it. This just turns a drive shaft through here, comes right through here, and is attached to this plate. And this is an activator plate or an action plate. It's just got 4 big magnets on it, or large rare earth magnets, and they just rotate with the plate, and it's very simple.
An electric motor drives the activator plate in a circular motion. When the larger magnets are aligned, they repel each other, thus emptying the chamber. When these magnets are not aligned, the chamber is allowed to fill. This pulsatile action, along with the use of one-way valves, results in blood flow.
These larger magnets here have a little more force than these do. These are put on here to kind of lessen the recoil, or kind of control the recoil as the chamber is filling, okay? It's a better simulation of the heart as the heart fills. It's the varying magnetic fields and the structures of them and how they approach and go away from each other that allows these plates, as they separate, to really emulate the contractile forces of the left ventricle. And if we can do that and emulate or duplicate that pulse pressure wave, I mean, we're home free.